नमस्कार, मैं हूं आपके साथ तन्वी सूद। लोकसभा चुनाव नजदीक है और चुनाव से पहले कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष राहुल गांधी ने अपनी बहन प्रियंका गांधी वाड्रा को एक बड़ी जिम्मेदारी दे डाली है। दरअसल उन्हें पार्टी की ओर से पूर्वी उत्तर प्रदेश का कांग्रेस जनरल सेक्रेटरी बनाया गया है और वो फरवरी के पहले सप्ताह से जिम्मेदारी संभालेंगी। जैसे ही खबर सामने आई, सोशल मीडिया पर ट्वीट्स की बाढ़ आ गई है। जहां कुछ लोग प्रियंका को बधाई दे रहे हैं, वहीं कुछ ऐसे भी लोग हैं जिन्होंने प्रियंका गांधी को ट्रोल कर डाला है और उनकी फोटो लगाने के बजाय टाइगर श्रॉफ की फोटो डालते हुए उन्हें बधाई देने लगे। देखिए जरा कुछ ट्वीट्स। Many congratulations to Priyanka Vadra for joining active politics after success in Bollywood. Priyanka Vadra is now officially joining politics. Congratulations to Priyanka Vadra for joining active politics. वैसे आपको बता दें, जब 2014 में टाइगर ने बॉलीवुड में फिल्म हीरोपंती से डेब्यू किया था, तब भी टाइगर श्रॉफ को प्रियंका गांधी से कंपेयर किया गया था। वेल, आपको हमारी ये स्टोरी कैसी लगी, हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं।
फोटो निकाल गया कार है तो क्या हुआ? बढ़िया सर, मनोज अंदर आजा, रूल मत तोड़े सर। मनोज टाइगर सर, टाइगर सर, टाइगर टाइगर सर थोड़ा आगे आइए, भाई बहुत थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ सर, सामने सामने और भाई और बस सर, रुको रुको भाई, राइट में देखो टाइगर सर, इधर देखो भाई, राइट में यहाँ पे सर, सही हो सर, रुको काफी दिन बाद मिलो। थैंक यू सर। टाइगर टाइगर
टाइगर सर,
टाइगर 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 थैंक यू सर। हाँ क्या बोल रहे हैं?
I just thought that the whole concept of Ready to Move, what better way to do it than through a music video or through a form of dance, if not a form of, some sort of an action or some sort of sport. But music being such a big element in our industry, especially the entertainment industry, I thought why not express our vision through that medium. And music also tracks a lot, especially with the youngsters and the youth who are primarily our target audience. And we don't want to sound preachy or anything, so I thought it was done in a fun manner, and to do it this way was just, bringing in the youth element and the fun element with it. Yeah.
And then, so I'm just going to add to this. So, so before people, even bring up the question of how does Tiger get involved in Prowl, essentially the first conversation was around music, right? And we initially wanted to have music which was very rap and street, because we think that is very cool with the youth. And he was very clear about the fact that it's very counterculture. It is a niche, and but it is alienating a large part which our brand should not. Yep. So our brand should talk to a larger audience. It should be unabashedly Bollywood. Yep. If we have 3 tempos, if we have 3 ranges, we have a low intensity, mid intensity, high intensity. Can the music mirror that? We had 2 or 3 different compositions which were put together initially. He was not very happy with any of them. And the one that he was very happy with, and which got the greatest amount of applause, and about trending right now at about 26 odd, million likes, and it will continue to do this till about 45, 50 or more. Is the fact that the one that he liked the most in terms of the tune and all of that was completely Tiger. And we were just free falling with his belief. Yep. And his effort at the day of the shoot and how he went about doing that is all what comes into play every day with Prowl.
Excellent. And I believe you took it to the next level with the Ready to Move challenge. Would you just like to tell us what it was, and then we'll share a montage with our guests?
Well, if you saw in the video, there was a hook step. So basically, I just threw out that challenge to fans and friends and family, and the social media family, of course. I just did the hook step for them, and I said, so guys, I challenge you to do this with me. And sort of, there's an app on Musical.ly, there's TikTok, and stuff like that. So I sort of involved them in there as well. And if you see, there are a lot of entries, a lot of hashtag Ready to Move. If you type in Ready to Move on Twitter, Google, or Instagram, you'll just see a bunch of these hashtags. And if you click on them, you just see a million entries. And you can see all these guys and girls, of course, just dancing with me, alongside me. And it's a fun visual to see.
Wonderful.